morning, students. Today we will make mask with the waste material. Like I have taken this cloth, a piece of cloth from the old shirt. Okay, fabric glue, some fabric colors, brushes, scissors, anything like buttons, laces, ribbons, patches, anything. With anything you can decorate your mask. So let's start making it. So children, first we have to take cloth, okay, and any plate or any round thing, and we will make a mark like this. Okay, see, now our circle is here. Now we have to cut this circle with the help of scissor. Fold this like this. We have to fold it. Okay, and after this we have to fold it like this. Okay, now we have to cut these two lines and this area. See again, these two folded lines and this area. Now we have to cut with the scissor. See, after cutting, now we got 4 parts. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we have to paste these parts with the help of fabric glue. See, fabric glue. Paste these pieces on each other. See, this is our first part and this is our second part. Now we have to apply fabric glue here. After applying Fevicol, we have to just paste these pieces on each other. Press it nicely. So we have to just wait for the drying of this piece. After this, we have to put Fevicol on the same side on the both pieces in the same manner. See children, after pasting, we have to just fold it like this. Okay, and we have to just pull out our joint area and press it nicely, tightly. Okay, like this we have to do it. Just pull out our paste area like this and just press it tightly so that shape can come out like this. Like this, same as we have to do with the other cloth. Now after this, we have to paste and joint our these two pieces. Okay, so first we have to see our finished area. This one is our finished area, and of this cloth our stitch area is pasted area is this side. So we have to just pull this cloth with each other like this. Our unfinished pasted area of this cloth is this side, and the pasted area of this cloth is this side. Now we have to just paste this cloth with each other from the start to till end like this. Okay, see how I am doing it. See, now we have to apply fabric glue here on the edges of the cloth. And paste other cloth of the same side we have to just paste it like this. Okay, see, our first side is done. Same as we have to paste other sides also, like this one and this one. Total we have to paste 4 sides. So see children, on the last part we have to leave this much area, like 1.5 inch area, leave it. Okay, just we have to leave this area without pasting. See children, after now pasting, our cloth is pasted now. Okay, joints are pasted. Now we have to pull our cloth from this area. See, we left 1.5 inch now. So from this size we have to pull our cloth out like this. See, pull it carefully. See, like this we have to just pull our whole cloth. It will be like a balloon. Okay, now we have to give shape. Like this we have to give shape to our mask. Okay, see, like this. Put Fevicol on the open area of the cloth here. And fold it in the same manner. Like this. We have to hold it for the minute. After pasting and folding, our mask is ready like this. Now we have to take like 10 to 12 inches elastic. You can take a rubber band also. Take whatever you have at home. Okay, no need to like go market to buy it. Okay, now we have to make a knot, a small, and just tie it nicely. Like this. Okay, so now after this we have to take our mask and we have to just fold it 1 inch area. Now we have to put Fevicol in a triangle shape like this, and we have to put our elastic or band here. Fevicol like this. You have to put Fevicol here and just paste it in a triangular form like this. Okay, and you have to hold it for the minute so that it can paste perfectly, same as we have to do with the other side. Mask is ready. Now we have to decorate our mask with fabric painting. So we need fabric color. If you don't have a fabric color, then you can decorate this mask with anything like patches, buttons, stickers, or pearls, stones, sequence work, laces, ribbon, anything. With anything you can decorate your mask. So here I am doing fabric painting. So first we will take red color and white color. We will make pink shade to make a flower. So like this we have to do color. Now we will give shade of red on some places to give effect of flower. Now we will make some small birds over here. Red color here. Now we will make some leaves here. Now we will use green color to give effect of a green. See how I am making leaves in a one stroke. On the both sides. So like this, children, we have to make our marks and mask. See, so same as we have to do on the other side. Okay, so see children, our both sides of mask is ready. See, you can see it. See our decorative mask with fabric painting is ready. Okay, so I hope children you like it. So I hope students you like it. Show your creativity. Use whatever you have at home with waste material. Okay children, so take care of yourself. Goodbye.